Hello my dear friends, this is Rohit from ASTRO-DOWSING channel. I'm talking about healing-hospital.com. Today I'm going to talk about our segment which is named as Animal Wellness segment. It is dedicated to the pets and animals, especially domestic animals. According to my experience in life, I have seen many times many dog lovers, cat lovers, bird lovers and definitely cow lovers. They actually serve these animals like God. Their well-being, their food, their mental and physical health status, they are concerned about everything. Keeping their dedication and sincerity in mind, I tried to retrieve very selective scalar frequencies in combination with respective musical notes so that they can get proper relaxation and improvement to their mental and physical health status. I'm sure if you go in this segment and if you can check it, you can get an idea about it. I'm going to introduce many more frequencies in this field, one after another. But I believe that it is important to give the most important support initially. If the requirement and demand is coming from the users, I will definitely get that inspiration and I will be excited to provide more. So my request is please do come and visit our website www.healing-hospital.com and enjoy our research-oriented product which can really help you and your beloved ones. Thank you.